Very warm good morning, student. Today we are taking the exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So first part of this one, here is a 4 part. I am doing only first and second part. So first part is x minus 3y is equal minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y is equal minus 2 is equal to 0. So we know that a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 9. Minus cancel by minus, 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So is equal to 1 upon 3. That C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Not is equal to C1 upon C2. So this will be, you know that, table number 3.4. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Not is equal to C1 upon C2. So that is a parallel line. That is a no solution. No solution. No solution. Right? Second question. First of all, we will convert this one in 0. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here, a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 upon 2, c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 5 upon minus 8. It means a1 upon a2 not is equal to b1 upon b2. See that? Not is equal? No need to write the c1 upon c2 if a1 upon a2 not is equal to c1 upon c2. So that is a unique solution. Unique solution. If here is written, in case there is unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So see that on the page number 60, there is a given the formula, that is x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Right? Now x upon a1 is, b1 is 1 multiply c2 is minus 5, that minus b2 is 2, c1 is, just wait, b1 is 1 into c2 is minus 8, and then minus b2 is 2 minus 5 is equal to y upon that c1 is minus 5 into a2 3, that c2 is minus 8, and here is also minus, so plus 8 into a1 2 is equal to 1 upon a1 is 2, b2 2 minus a2 3 into b1 1. Now x upon minus 8 plus 10 is equal to y upon minus 15 plus 10 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 3. So x upon that is 2 is equal to the y upon minus 5 is equal to, 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. So that will be 1. That's a 1 upon 1. Now for x. Now x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1. By cross multiply, x is equal to 2. y, for y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1. So y is equal to 1 1 ja 1. That will be answer, right? Now the question number 2 and the third part, fourth part you can do like this similarly. I think third question is a infinity many solution and the fourth question I think unique solution. Second question, for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinitive number of solution? Infinitive number of solution. So that will be that is equation is second question, first part solution, that 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, a minus bx plus a plus b, y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So that a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. This is the infinity many solution. Now a1 is 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. b minus 2. now we take first of all this one, these two. First of all we will take these two by the cross multiply. 3a minus 3b is equal to like this 2a plus 2b. So 3a minus 3b minus 2a minus 2b by interchange a minus 5b is equal to 0. Now we will take these two, cross multiply. 3 3 ja 9a plus 3b minus 3 2 ja 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. So 9a plus 3b minus 7a minus 7b is equal to 6 by the interchange. That is a equation number third. So 2a minus 4b is equal to 6. This is the fourth equation. Fourth equation. Now we can apply that. Here we can take the common 2. Just wait. 2 is a common. So a minus 2b is equal to 6. 2 3 is a 6. So a is equal to a minus 2b is equal to 3. This is the fourth equation, and you can place this equation. A minus 5b is equal to 0. So minus plus minus by subtraction. That's a cancelled. So 3b is equal to 3. 3 cancel by 3, 1. So b is equal to 1. b is equal to, that is 1. Now putting b is equal to 1 in equation third. Where is the third? A minus 5b is equal to 0. So a minus 5 into 1 is equal to 0. a is equal to 5 1 ja 5. By interchange, that is this answer, and this is the answer. Second part, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation has no solution? So that second part equation is 3x plus y, 3x plus y is equal to 1, and then 2k minus 1 x and then plus k minus 1 y is equal to 2k plus 1. So we know that the solution, so a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 because only 1k is there, so no need to write the c1 upon c2. Now a1 is 3 upon a2 is 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 is y or 1 k minus 1. By the cross multiply, 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3 by interchange. So k is equal to 3 less to 1, 2. This is the answer. Now question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution and cross multiplication method. You can do. That's very easy. Now question number 4. Question number 4. This is the lengthy question. Fourth has a 5 part and most important questions are these. These are the most important questions, so you will be, don't ignore these questions. Fourth, first part, that is, listen the question. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student take food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 as hotel charge. Wherever a student B who take food for 26 days pay rupees 1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and cost of food per day. So let fixed charge is equal to x and per day charge is equal to y. Case first, x plus fixed charge is the x, and in case first 20 days means 20y is equal to that cost is 1000. This is the equation first. Case second. Now B that is a fixed charge is x and 26 days. B is taking 26 days. So that is 1180 rupees. That is the second equation. X is equal. So x plus 20y is equal to 1000. That sign the change on subtraction because we have signed the change here. X cancel. 6y is equal to 081. 6 3 ja. Y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30. That is a per day charge, and then putting y is equal to 30 in equation. That first is easy. So x plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. So x is equal to 1000 minus 3 2 ja 6. So x is equal to 400. That is 400. It means fixed charge is 400, per day charge is fixed charge is equal to 400 rupees, and per day charge is equal to rupees 30 per day. Question number 4. that is a fraction become 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it become 1 upon 4 when 8 is added its denominator. Find the fraction. So let numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to y. So fraction is equal to x upon y. Case first, that will be a fraction become 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator x upon y. Numerator 1 is subtracted from numerator. That fraction become 1 upon 3. By cross multiply, 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. Equation number first. Now case second, x upon y, that and it become 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. 8 is added to denominator. Find the fraction. That by cross multiply, 4x is equal to y plus 8. 4x minus y is equal to 8. Now the equation number second. You are looking y are equal. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. Change the sign. On subtraction, cancelled. So x is equal to 8 less 3, 5. Putting x is equal to 5 in equation that first is easy. So 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3. So that minus y is equal to 3 minus 3 5 ja 15. So minus y is equal to minus 12. Cancel. So y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. So fraction is equal to x upon y is equal to x value is 5 or y value is 12. Right? Now part number 3, that yes score 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and lost 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So this is a just difficult question. Okay, you will be see that. Just a minute. That third part. Let right answer. Let right answer is equal to x and wrong answer is equal to y. So case first that getting 3 for each right answer. So 3x, and then lost 1 marks for each wrong answer. It means minus y is equal to that score 40 marks. Why we have done minus? Because that is a wrong answer. Wrong answer. It means deducting the marks. That is the first equation. Case second. Case second. That will be 4 marks for awarded for correct answer. So 4x minus 2y is equal to, that will be 50. So 2 is a common. So 2x minus y is equal to 50 to 25. Yeah. So 2x minus y is equal to 25. This is the second equation. Now 3x minus y is equal to 40. Change the sign. On subtraction, that cancelled. So minus x is equal to minus 15. Minus cancel by minus, x is equal to 15. Now putting x is equal to 15 in equation first. You can put in second also. 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40. So minus y is equal to 40 minus 45. 15 3 are 45. Minus y is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to that 5. Because minus cancel by minus. Minus cancel by minus. That will be, so total question. Total question. This is a short form of question, that x plus y. So that 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. This is the answer. Fourth part. That fourth part, place A and B are 100 meters apart on a highway. One car start from A and another car start from B at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at a speed of, they meet 5 hours. If they travel toward each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of 2 cars? So let speed of car A is equal to x and speed of car B is equal to y. Case first. That toward means that taking the 5 hour. So that will be 5x, that minus 5y is equal to, that is 100 kilometer. So 5 is common. So x minus y is equal to 100. 5 2 ja. So x minus y is equal to 20. This is the first equation. Case second. They are toward means plus 1 hour. Taking the 1 hour, the 1x plus 1y is equal to 100. This is the second equation. Now write the first equation. Already sign the change. 2x is equal to 120 on add, because we have not changed the sign here. 6 ja. So x is equal to 60. Putting x is equal to 60 in equation second. So 60 plus y is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100 minus 60. So y is equal to 40. So speed of car A is equal to that 60 km per hour. Speed of car B is equal to 40 km per hour. That is the answer. It's a very simple question. You have seen that. Now the Question last part, fifth part, that will be the area of rectangle get reduced 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. If we increase the length by 3 unit and the breadth by 2 unit, the area increased by 67 square unit. Find the dimension of the rectangle. Right? Let length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. So case first is saying, we know that area is equal to length multiply breadth. Area is equal to length multiply breadth. Or see that length is x and then reduce 5 and then y increase 3 is equal to, that will be xy minus that 9 unit reduce. If length will be reduced 5 and breadth will be increased 3, then area reduce 9 unit. Now xy, multiply the both bracket, xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Xy cancel by xy, so 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 9 plus 15, so 3x minus 5y is equal to, that is 6. This is the equation first. Now case second, area is equal to L into B, length multiply breadth. Now if we increase length 3 unit and breadth 2 unit, it means both are increasing. So x plus 3, y plus 2 is equal to xy, that area also increasing 67 unit. So again multiply xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 3 2 is 6 is equal to xy plus 67. The product of these two brackets have this one. Xy is cancelled by xy. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 67 minus 6. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. This is the second equation. Now both equations are looking there. Equation number first and second. X and y, anyone is equal there? No, these are not equal. So this one multiply by 2 or this one multiply by 3 for x value. 3 2 is 6, x minus 10, y is equal to 6 2 is 12. These two multiply by this one and this one and this one also. Here 3 2 is 6x plus 3 3 is 9y is equal to 3 1 is 3 or 3 6 is 18. Now x is equal, but we will change the sign on subtraction because we have changed the sign here. So 19y is equal to that minus 3 less 2 1, 8 less 1 7, that 1. So y minus cancel by y minus 171 upon 19. 19 9 ja, y is equal to 9. Y is equal to, that is 9. Putting y is equal to 9 in equation first. So 3x minus 5 into 9 is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6 plus 9 5 ja 45. So x is equal to 51 upon 3. 3 17 ja. So x is equal to 17. X is equal to 17. So length is equal to 17 and breadth is equal to 9 unit. Okay.